Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video we are unboxing and taking a look at the Anamchara Oracle. Be Guided by Your Loving Soul Companion by Saorsa Sionnach. Hopefully I'm pronouncing all of these words and your names correctly. I do apologize if I am not. This is published by Rockpool, retailing for $24.95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this my way. I'm very intrigued and excited to get into it. So, as always, in the description box of this video, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right. Let the Anamchara, your soul companion, nurture your inner journey. On the quirky path of life, who wouldn't wish for a loving friend to hold their hand for every decision they make or every doubt they have? Discover the Anamchara, your spirit guardian, and free yourself from prejudiced and limiting beliefs. The Anamchara Oracle will help you in finding peace and happiness, delivering messages about your past, present, and future, and offering your daily tools and actions to reshape your life around your dreams and allow your wonderful self to bloom. 44 cards and a guidebook. Okay, I love that foiling. It's so pretty. Ooh. All right. Nice. Very pretty. Oh, we've got gold edges there. And we're going to take a peek at the guidebook first. It's pretty. Ooh, it feels like that linen. I love that. Very pretty. Okay, so we have an introduction, how to use the card, spreads, and then it goes into each card's meaning. All right, how to use the cards, the map. Each card in this oracle is a channel message from an Anamchara and has hand-painted illustration that was realized intuitively, a title followed by keywords and an incantation, a short text to explain the meaning of the card, and an action you might like to undertake. You can use this deck in many ways to bring you clues and keys on how to take action on your question. You may prefer to use elements you see in the drawings for your interpretation, or refer to the text in this booklet, but you also have the incantations, which are like short poems that were worked so their energy flows to enhance your intention and help keep your mind on your goals. Feel free to use them in any way that feels right for you. The incantations are not just for magical practitioners. You may be new to witchcraft or have no interest in it whatsoever, but this does not mean this text is useless. You can use incantations as mantras, focusing your intention on the purpose you seek from the card you have drawn. For those doing magic, the incantations can be used in a ritual to work on your aim and make it sharper or increase the magic of your spell. It may take place on your altar as a focal point or energy to highlight until you've worked out your issue. Okay, so then we have some spreads here. We have the Stardust, the Tiptech spread, Elements spread, Seasons spread, Angel spread, and then it goes into the cards messages. All right, let's get into it. This back is very pretty, and it is a matte. I like that. There's the edging. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to read the title, and then we'll dive deeper with the cards after the flip through and shuffling. The Life Flame. Unity. Oh, so cute. Creative Thinking. If you hear birds, we currently have a couple pigeons that have made a nest on our roof, so I apologize. Vessel. Alchemist. This art is really neat. Admiration. Sharing. Oh, that's precious. trust, elders, scars, seer. That's cool. Eye on the hand there. Secret garden. Sequence. Crone. Oh. Seed. Enlightenment. Initiation. Depths. Star. Oh. Taking off. I mean this in the most positive way possible. This gives me the feeling of reading children's books. Like, it's just creative and free feeling and flowing, and I really like this art style. I think it's different and fun and engaging. Balance. Feels very gentle, loving. Night. Oh, that's so cute. And because of the art style, this feels very nostalgic for me. Wounds. Mountain. Hermit. I love it. All those little tattoos. Fate. Thief. Crossroads. Masterpiece. Home. Aww. Construction. Pilgrim. Witch. Love that. Fire. Water. Oh, is that a Selkie? Yes. Oh, how fun. Air. Hot air balloon. That's really cool. What a neat perspective. Earth. Shadow. Light. Midnight sun. Yule. Oh, so sweet. Ostara or Ostara. Letha. And Maybon. I know I probably mispronounced those. I'm sorry. Let's see how it shuffles. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it's actually pretty smooth. And I want to do the side-by-side test here. Not bad. All right. And overhand shuffling is great too. Ooh. All right. Well, we're going to do the life flame because that's the first one that I saw. And at the bottom it says, "Spark that brings all matter to life. I am divine and I am human. In both I bloom." Okay. So some key words here are self-love and divine self. And then it has the same little incantation as it does on the card. All things passing on this earth carry in them the primal flame, the thrust of life. In this spark nests your soul and also the whole beauty of your choice to become incarnate. You are already even unfinished. You are in the grace of perfection and the laugh of imperfection. Your thoughts are awakening and your life awaits the grandiose unfolding of your adventure. Respect this flame and nurture it with joy and hope. Because life is a blank canvas, your perception of reality will feed your fire or stifle it by fear. Your free will is the essential tool for your growth. By coming to live on earth, you have chosen to know humanity's strengths and weaknesses in order to be complete. Do not be a judge, be a pilgrim. Marvel at all things, including yourself. The Anamchara this word will lead you if you become aware of them. And then we have an action here. Meditate. Sit in a comfy position and put on quiet music that makes you feel safe. Anchor yourself to tune into the universe, feeling the energy of source within and around you. Dare to say this mantra. I am a divine being, and allow the visions to come to you. Your Anamchara is eager to meet with you, so let them guide you through your inner journey. Don't doubt yourself and don't judge your experience because it is yours to make. I really like this. I think there's something for everyone in this. Also, this can be a very good meditation and healing deck to utilize, but also a really good day-to-day deck. The illustrations are adorable, comfortable, gentle, fun, and it feels very free-flowing. I do think that a lot of thought went into this, and a lot of love went behind it. It just feels very wholesome, if that's a good word to use. I think this is great. The quality of the cardstock is really nice. I love that surprise of the golden edges there. I love that there's a bunch of different ways to utilize this deck, as well as having the incantations and the actions. I think that's very, just all around a really great utilization of this deck. I think it's great. I think this is great. I have nothing, no criticisms. I think it's very different and fun, and something about the inner child is coming out in me with this deck. I really do connect with the art style. Very cool. I would love to know your thoughts on this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you pre-ordered? Is this something that you are just now learning about? What are your thoughts? Let me know all of them down below in the comment section. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this deck my way. I'm really excited and eager to get to know it better. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.